Are you looking for ways on how to build an email list? Well, in this video, I want to share with you 3 specific ways that I've been able to build an email list and how you can too, no matter what niche you're in. Perhaps by now you know the importance of building an email list and that you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. For instance, if you're building just on YouTube, which is a little bit ironic that, yes, I'm making videos on YouTube, but I do have other ways of building an audience and nurturing and monetizing my business. And one of the ways, of course, is through email. So again, in this video, I want to share with you 3 simple strategies that you can implement starting today to build and grow your email list. Okay, so the first strategy I want to share with you is actually being used by influencers and other creators in the online world, and that is through collaborations. It's nothing new, but in terms of email marketing and building an email list, that is exactly what I did and what we did in the industry when social media wasn't around. We simply approached each other, and more particularly, those who have similar audiences and those who have similar list sizes as you. And that's the key takeaway for this strategy. And that is to collaborate and approach those who have email list sizes similar to yours. Of course, it wouldn't be nice to approach them and ask them, hey, what's your list size? It's not the way to go about it. So instead, what you can do, for example, if you're in the meditation niche, you can approach another meditation teacher or coach with your proposal, which would simply state, hey, I'm looking to collaborate with you. I think it will be a good joint venture. And to get them to agree to what you have to offer is to exchange clicks. So here's how it works. You send, let's say, 50 clicks to their opt-in or lead magnet. In exchange, they do the same thing too. Usually in your email marketing platform, you can track links in your emails. So what you would do is you exchange each other's lead magnets. So let's say you have a lead magnet that states 5 tips on how to meditate, and the other list owner has something similar or something that complements, that would help and be of value for your subscribers. So you both agree on the 50 clicks each. Now, of course, this could be more depending on your list size and how many clicks you can actually produce. Now, if the list owner can actually produce 200, 300, even 500 clicks, they can work out a way to actually only generate 50 clicks, and that is to segment or only send that email to a portion of their list, so then it makes up those 50 clicks. Now, 50 clicks is just an example. What I would start with if you have an existing list is to start with 100 clicks first, because you want to be able to gauge conversion rates. So let's say 50 people opt in out of 100 clicks, that's a 50% conversion rate. With just 50 clicks, there's not much of a win-win situation there for that list owner and yourself. Now, your first thought, of course, if you don't have an email list, what you can do is actually approach these list owners and perhaps compensate them for a promotion for that lead magnet of yours. So for instance, you could approach them in a similar fashion, but instead you're paying them to promote your lead magnet or your free report or ebook, whatever it may be. Now, as a side note, if you haven't created a lead magnet yet, I'll link up a card just above here so that you'll find out the steps on how to actually create a lead magnet. So if you're going that approach where you're actually paying the list owner to promote your lead magnet, then that's called buying a solo ad. Now, typically in the solo ad industry, people usually pay anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per click. So that's just a guideline, so you know what to offer that list owner. So if you want 100 clicks, then offer $100. 200 clicks, $200. Now, strategy number 2 on how to grow your email list is to create a sales funnel. Now, your first thought might be, what is a sales funnel? Simply put, picture a funnel, all right? So you're driving traffic from, let's say, social media, paid ads, Facebook ads, and they're all starting from the top. And the top is perhaps your free lead magnet. It could be a low price product. And as they go down the funnel, you have less people buying, of course, but you have more qualified buyers that actually buy, let's say, a high ticket item of $2,000 for coaching or more. But at the start, that's where most of the people in your audience starts. And as they go down, the price usually increases depending on the product or program. Now, as technical as it sounds, it doesn't need to be. I usually like to keep sales funnels simple. And my approach to it is to offer a low price product of, let's say, $7 to $10, and then upsell them with a special offer. Now, for your upsell, you want to make sure you price it between $27 and $97. The reason why is because you want to have an affiliate program open where affiliates can promote your product and earn a commission. So rewinding back, your funnel starts with a low front end product So front end meaning the first offer that people see. The key here is to make that front end product low price between $7 to $10. Make it a no-brainer. You want to offer a lot of value on that front end so then eventually they will go through your sales funnel. Now, a growth hack here I want to share with you is to offer 100% commission on that front end product. All right. You want to set it to 100% commission on that front end. So then when affiliates promote it, they'll get 100% of that sale. So between $7 and $10, they'll get all of it. Now you might be thinking that's crazy. How are you going to make money from offering 100% commissions? But in fact, what you're actually doing is you're making your affiliate program irresistible for affiliates and partners. And this is exactly how I've been able to build not just an email subscriber list, but also a customer base, because these people have qualified and bought my products, meaning they are higher value, and then I can sell more products in the future. So they're not just out there to download my free stuff or looking for freebies. They actually qualify because they already paid that $7 to $10. The power of this strategy is that you're leveraging off of other partners and affiliates who are sending traffic to your website. Now, of course, this does involve setting up your product and your sales funnel and setting up the technical aspects of the sales funnel. And for that, I'll link up a few resources like the systems that you can use to set up a sales funnel and have an affiliate program for your funnel. Okay, next up, strategy number 3 is to create content on YouTube and on your blog. Now, the key to this is to actually do some keyword research so that you know exactly what to target in terms of writing content or producing videos. Because the last thing you want to do is make all that effort to create that blog post or that video and not get any views or reads. The most popular way to research for keywords is to use Google's own keyword planner through AdWords. With a keyword planner, you'll find out on average or just as a guide how many people actually search for a particular keyword or key phrase. In addition, you also want to be using Google's auto suggest. So when you type a keyword in on Google and they give you these suggestions for other things when you start typing a keyword or key phrase, well, these are the most popular keywords and key phrases that other people search for. If you're creating YouTube videos, then you also want to be doing the same by going on YouTube and using the auto suggest. So start typing a keyword like how to, and if you want to be more specific, of course, add your keyword that's relevant to your niche. Typically, most people search for literally what they want to search for. Let's say how to tie a tie, or let's say how do I train a Pomeranian dog. So when you create your content, you want to actually be using those keywords and key phrases in your title and throughout the content of your blog post or your YouTube video. Now, all this is related to SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. I'm not going to talk a whole lot about it because it does deserve another video, but those are just some basic things that you can do and start with right now. Now, once you start generating traffic through search engines or through YouTube, you want to be driving that traffic to your list or your email list, of course, and that's what the whole video is about. I do it in various ways. I've got my opt-in and my lead magnet embedded throughout my page. And I also have a pop-up that pops up when a user tries to exit the page, and a little pop-up, exit pop-up appears and they can opt in for that free lead magnet. If you want to learn how to install a pop-up on your site, I'll link up a card just above here to a relevant video on exactly how to do it step by step. Alright, that concludes this video. Hope you got value from this. I'm curious to know what email marketing strategies or list building tactics do you use in your business? Feel free to comment below and I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And of course, as usual, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos I release on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next video.